Hi everyone, I got a 2015 Dodge Caravan. We're going to change the battery. So as you all know, there's a key in these fobs. So you just pull the key out. I still have in. There's a slot over here where you take the key, put it in the hole. It's not much space. Go up and down and it'll come off just like that. So now, see how that was? Like that. This one will come off too. And then you got the board. So what you can do with the board is clean it with a Q-tip. There's 3 spots here. Could be dirty, right? You never know. That's what they say. The battery's here. So I'm going to pull the old battery. And then I got the new battery here. It only goes in one way. See the metal in here? Then you can snuggle this back in this way. The round part side down. Push that down like that, gently. And then you can put this on top. Line it all up and you'll hear the snaps. Key back in and test it, and there you have it. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I might just have some more videos for you. Thanks for watching.